Hey guys, it's Steve with My Honey's Handmade. So a friend of mine had a drawer that was broken. It's an OSB drawer with the fake veneer plastic coating that makes it look like real wood. So I replaced the front panel with this solid oak front drawer panel that I made. So stick around, I'll show you all the steps and how I did that. Let me know if you've ever done it before. If you have any advice for me or have any questions, comment below. And please like and subscribe. So a friend of mine from Boy Scouts brought me this drawer from their kitchen and it broke. So as you can see, that's just some cheap OSB looking material that the cabinets were made out of. They just got the plastic coating that looks like real wood. So I very carefully chiseled out the remaining piece. There was a little debris, and then I tapped out the staples really carefully. There's not a lot of meat and you can break this really easily. So the next thing I did was determine the width and the height. So this is 1/2 inch. So I had some scrap red oak that I milled down. Now I'm going to cut it to length, and then we're going to do the dados on either side, or the rabbets. These are considered rabbets. So let's get in the shop, see what we can do. First thing is to square up your stock. Here I'm just checking to see if my board fits between the two sides. I missed one or two of the staples. I'm just really lightly tapping this because there's not a lot of that OSB there, so you want to be really careful doing something like that. Then I just pull it out. Again, I'm being very gentle when I'm getting this out with a pair of pliers. The next thing is to see how high we need to cut that groove for the bottom of the drawer. I like using this Craig measuring tool. I use this all the time and it works really well. You can measure this with a tape measure, but I had a better idea to just set the replacement panel against the plywood and put a mark, and that tells me the upper limits of the slot we're going to cut. You can see I just carried over that mark that we just made. Then I'm just going to line that mark up with the table saw fence. Didn't quite fit, so I just widened the slot slightly on the fence and ran it through a second time to make that slot wider. This quick and thick glue from Titebond is great. Doesn't drip everywhere. Once it's glued in, the next step is to use some staples. They have a lot better holding power than a brad nail. Thanks for watching. Hey, thanks for joining me, guys. I appreciate you watching.